So in today's video we are going to be making Alpha Glider. I personally love this plane. It's pretty easy to make and it flies exceptionally well. So I'll teach you how to fold it. So first we're just going to fold the right side over to the left side lengthways, just as shown. Just getting that perfect. You can go ahead and open that up so that the mountain crease is here. Now we're just going to fold so that in this space there is 1.2 around 2.5 inches just from here to the fold. So it's an estimate, so it doesn't have to be exact, but around there is fine. We're going to open that up and fold the top to the crease you just made. Now your plane should look something like that. So we're going to open that one more time, do the same thing, fold the top to the crease once again, just like so, and we're just going to fold down on that crease, just down. Make sure that's nice and straightened up. Now we're just going to fold the top right corner to the center crease. Get that as straight as you can. Repeat the same thing on the other side. We can go ahead and open that up. Now we're just going to fold this corner onto the crease we just made. So one sec. I can do it first, then I'll show you. So just so it's like that. So as you can see, your fold should be like that. You can leave a little gap from the crease, but I'm just going to fold this corner, top corner, to the crease, and you can do that on the other side. You can leave a little gap because that will help you in the next step. You can fold those in. Now your plane should look like this. Now the hardest step would be, so what we're going to do as for the hardest step, you will have this fat triangle that's just there. We're going to crease on this line by folding this triangle up onto the thing, so like that, and now we're just going to crease. See how I am creasing, folding this bit up onto the paper, creasing. We're gonna open that back up, do the same on the other side. Getting that perfect. Now if you open these flaps up, you should have this triangle bit sticking out with the crease, if you've done it correctly. So now we're just going to fold that in half, encourage this to fold down with it. You can fold that in half. Okay. Yep, just like that. And now we can fold our wings around a centimeter from the tip I start my wings, and I'm just going to fold it where the lock opens up, around there. Do the exact same thing on the other side, just like so. You can open that up. Then here is your Alpha Glider. See it in flight. One sec. Alright, just gonna open that up. Alright, here we go. Whee! Soaring through the sky. Alright, that's one of the best planes. So, goodbye.